You see we got some dirty water here, so we got to get this cleaned out. So we take the siphon and we're going to go ahead and put it down, upside down, into this barrel and let it start to fill up with water. And once that gets filled with water, now we need to get water in the hose. And obviously, this is the way any siphon works, you know. We bring it up higher, and it's going to start to drain the hose out as it fills the hose and then comes out. So let's refill our tube here. Now once this gets up to here, I'm going to go ahead and plug this off with my thumb. Okay. Refilled. We lost some water, so let's refill that. And now it's as simple as I'm going to put my hand over top of here to block that off. I still have my thumb on the other side. Now we can tip it upside down, put this down in here, and drop our hook. And once the water's flowing, we can go ahead and start to actually clean it out.